Hi, it's Krista with WTI. I'm definitely no doggy dentist, but I will say that with Vet's Best, toothbrush set, and enzymatic toothpaste, I have become way more qualified in taking care of my dog's dental health. In my experience, it can be a bit of a challenge for your dog to allow you to brush their teeth. They resist. But with this set, the enzymatic toothpaste has a flavor that my dog really enjoys. So as soon as she sees me open up the cap and put it onto the brush, she's interested. Both of these brush styles are perfect for a medium-sized dog. The finger brush fits very comfortably on my hand, but my husband has much bigger hands and they also fit his hand nicely. The handheld brush is really cool because it has three-way bristles. So you can get into the very back of the dog's mouth, clean those molars really good, make sure there's no food or tartar or plaque building up. And it's not so stiff that it's going to hurt your dog's gums or make them uncomfortable after use. Some of the immediate benefits of using this toothpaste and toothbrush set are, of course, the fresh breath. We love a dog that kisses don't stink. Over long term, I'm also going to have the wonderful benefit of the savings in veterinary dental costs. So if you're looking for a toothbrush and toothpaste set for your pets that they're going to love and that are going to do the job of keeping your dog's breath fresh and over the long term give your dog really good dental hygiene, then this Vet's Best toothbrush and enzymatic toothpaste set is just for you. And that's my point of view.